Hello everyone. When it comes to stylish smartphones, OPPO's Reno series has always stood out. From elegant finishes to bold design ideas, Reno phones are made to turn heads. And now, OPPO is back with the brand new Reno 15 and Reno 15 Pro. This is TriTech AB, and if you enjoy honest tech reviews and the latest smartphone updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Now, let's start with the design, because that's what the Reno series is best known for. Both the Reno 15 and Reno 15 Pro come in this stunning Starlight Bow finish, and side by side, they look absolutely beautiful. OPPO has used an industry-first holographic lithography process, creating a subtle 3D ribbon effect on the back. The shimmering silver layers combined with fine glitter give the phone a soft galaxy-like glow that changes under different lighting. It looks elegant, modern, and very premium. To match this design, OPPO has brought back high-gloss crystal clear glass on the rear. Despite the glossy look, it resists fingerprints surprisingly well in everyday use. Even the camera module blends seamlessly into the back thanks to a unibody cold-carved glass design. This reduces gaps and makes the entire phone feel more refined. The Reno 15 series also supports full IP69 water resistance, while the sandblasted aluminum frame feels solid in the hand and doesn't attract fingerprints. Moving to the front, both phones feature flat OLED displays protected by reinforced flagship-grade glass. One of the biggest upgrades this year is size optimization. The Reno 15 now comes with a 6.32-inch display and weighs just 187 grams, making it perfect for one-handed use. The Reno 15 Pro features a larger 6.78-inch display and weighs 205 grams, offering a more immersive experience for videos and gaming. Now let's talk cameras, the true highlight of the Reno series. What's impressive this year is that both the Reno 15 and Reno 15 Pro share the exact same camera hardware. You get a 200-megapixel ultra-clear main camera, a 50-megapixel 85mm periscope telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide front camera for selfies and group shots. The telephoto lens delivers beautiful portrait shots with natural background compression, while the ultra-wide selfie camera lets you capture more scenery for cinematic and storytelling photos. OPPO also brings powerful live photo features this year. Live Photo Collage intelligently extracts people or objects and creates a layered 3D style visual. CCD Flash live photos add warm or cool retro flash effects for special moments. You can even capture live photos from both the front and rear cameras at the same time. And multicolor fill light selfies give you trendy lighting inspired by social media styles. For live streaming, the Reno 15 Pro really shines. Its front camera now offers a wider 100-degree field of view, improved stabilization, and autofocus for sharper streams. A special feature called AI Live Highlight Slices automatically pulls key moments from the last 60 seconds of your stream, saving time and effort. Thanks to its large 6500 mAh battery, the Reno 15 Pro can handle up to 6 hours of high-quality streaming. Now let's talk performance. Both phones are powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8450 processor. In gaming tests, the Reno 15 Pro maintained a stable 120 frames per second with low power consumption and excellent thermal control. OPPO has also upgraded game recording to Full HD 1080p, giving gameplay clips much better clarity. Out of the box, the Reno 15 series runs on ColorOS 16. It introduces dynamic lock screen wallpapers with depth effects, AI animated wallpapers, smart video summaries, and quick access to commonly used QR codes through Fluid Cloud. If you're looking for a phone that looks great, performs smoothly, and delivers excellent photography, this series is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching TriTech AB. I'll see you in the next one.